Namaste. Velonia is a solution to the problem faced personally by us and being faced by many students in our country. Being an output of an educational system which does not encourage practical thinking, rational approach in looking at the way things work, we felt that there should be something else apart from daily homework and weekly tests which foster creativity, which challenges the existing principles and which makes us more practical. All this mental process led us to Velonia, which means to branch out. So what should we do? We redefine co-curricular. How do we do that? We conduct workshops such as robotics, virtual stock markets, 3D marketing in schools and colleges. We also conduct aptitude tests and Olympiads and give personal feedback to every student. We also have our initiative called Abhilasha where we do the above initiatives for free of cost to students from poor economic background.
Now let us look at our target market and competitors. As of now, we target school and college level students, focusing on promoting a sense of learning among them while they still have time to develop their further interest. We follow a simple B2B2C approach where students are supposed to pay for the services we provide to them. There are few educational startups who are doing something similar to Velonia, but none provides all these events under the same banner. So we have got an edge above all of them. Velonia conducted its first event in February 2011. Since then, we have conducted 11 major events. Let us look at them in brief. Our very first event was a simple IQ test organized in Kotwal School. Then in Ivy League School, we had a robotics workshop. It was done free of cost to make students aware of our services. Then in JMR Varalakshmi, we organized our first event under Abhilasha. In this, 1 week long workshop was organized for unemployed people. Then in October 2011, we had our first major event. It was a robotics workshop organized at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It gave us revenue worth 64,000 rupees. This was all for year 2011. In 2012, we organized a line follower workshop. Then we had one of our grand events, that was a national level aptitude Olympiad test. In this, 700 students across India participated. It gave us revenue worth 70,000. Plus, what was more important, it gave us a huge level of publicity. We conducted another line follower workshop in Vasavi College. It was the first time we went into losses, but it was a huge learning experience for all of us. Then in August 2012, we conducted a SolidWorks workshop in Visakhapatnam, which gave us huge revenues of close to 1,60,000 rupees. Then in September 2012, at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus, we conducted an Arduino workshop. The event was a huge success with more than 260 students participating in it. Then in October 2012, we conducted a 3D modeling workshop in CBIT Hyderabad. We organized the second phase of Olympiad today itself, that is 24th November 2012, with more than 1000 students participating in it. Most of us are planning to take Velonia as their full-time career option after passing out. Hence, we have made a detailed calendar till the end of year 2014. Now let us look at it. This gives us the event to be conducted. This is the timeline which we have divided into 4 major parts. This is the number of workshops conducted in each time frame. This is the cost charged per student. This is an estimated number of students for that particular workshop. This is the revenue generated per workshop, and this gives us the total revenue. Now this tableau gives us the cost incurred. This is the total cost of that particular event. From this, we will be able to calculate our net profit and loss. We also made sure to learn from our past mistakes. Therefore, we have added a remarks column. Now let us look at the events. Robotics. In this, we are already very well established and have conducted 4 workshops. Mechanical software. In this also we have got a great team and have conducted 2 successful events. We have recently inducted a new team for coding and they are going to start their work in early 2013. Olympiad is going to be our major revenue generating event. We also plan to offer full courses in the above mentioned events. Now we are also planning to have an educational conference in mid 2013. The major chunk of money for this is going to be generated from sponsorship. Now last, we also plan to hold online events as there is a major buzz of online event these days. The expansion plan of Velonia. In future, Velonia aims to recruit campus ambassadors in every college it partners with. These ambassadors will be linked between Velonia and the institution. Velonia Labs. Students will be given tuition in evening about the aspects of their interest. In college chapter, Valonia wants to make long-term tie-ups with the college, providing events on an annual basis. In social sector, we aim to get sponsorship from various companies to conduct events for students who do not hail from well-to-do family.
Now the question arises, why Valonia and no other organization? Valonia has a team which has been very carefully selected, keeping in mind our customers. Every member of the core team has a remarkable stand in his or her field of interest and has experience in conducting events. Since the members of Valonia's team are students themselves, the sessions automatically become more interactive, which no other organization can promise. The fee for any event is much cheaper than the fee charged by other professional organizations, but at the same time, we ensure that quality is never compromised upon. We even have post-event support for our customers wherein they can send us feedback or queries.
So this is all from Valonia's side. I hope you like the concept. Thank you.